Hi, first have a look down into description on the link of my second channel. On the channel I do electronics stuff and projects. Have a look there. Today I have on my bench this changeover switch. It originally looks somehow like this. It is made from Slovak manufacturer Ses Krompachy. Our very good manufacturer for switches and stuff like that. This one is rated for 25 amps, and I am very curious what is the secret of switching high currents. Yes, this is for 230 volts or 400 volts and 25 amps. It is some kind of changeover switch. I believe, I'm not sure, but it's maybe triangle and star changeover switch, if I say correctly. But let's open it and have a look inside. Oh, interesting. Who could expect that? So definitely I'm going to keep these M3 studs and bolts. So let's have a look inside. This is the center shaft, which like this turns. Whoa, spring! I saw flying spring, which I unfortunately couldn't find, but already we see burnt contacts here, very heavily burnt. Here you can see, we are going to have closer look. You see how burnt this contact is, and this one not. Probably this was switching a little bit quicker than this one. Who knows? And due to it, it started to wear quicker, or maybe not, who knows. But obviously some physics are there. You see that is that kind of switch which divides an arc into two places. It's very good trick how to switch high currents. So here you can see that flying spring. So what it does when we turn it. Yes, this thing does something. Alright, probably this is going to hold us. Let's take it out and have a look down what it's down below. You see the design, how somebody in the factory assembled this. Here we can have a closer look on that contacts. Now it was flying again. Oh, it's opened. It's closed. interesting. You see how heavily burnt again these contacts are. You maybe can see that is quite a craft to make this thing. Oh, to make this thing, imagine how some patient worker, probably a woman, puts this inside. No way. So watch this. This contact looks to be fried. Yes, definitely this one is. Let's have a closer look. Do you see how this has enough place to go down and it isn't down? It's because these contacts are fried together. I'm sure that the current which went through these contacts was more than 25 amps. It's more than it was rated for. Due to this thing, these contacts fried, or better say, are welded together. That's only possible problem that could happen to this changeable switch. So be very careful. Now you can see fried contacts, badly fried together. Now I am going to take it out. I heard the click which set this contact free and have a look how badly the contacts are fried. And also here the spark, which could be very loud. It means that maybe it also did some arc, which caused that this has some generated some heat due to the current, and probably you see deformed this plastic. So definitely interesting to see what is inside. I'm really glad that I see this mechanism